Am I the a-hole for wanting my friend to acknowledge her fault in a car accident? 2 days ago, I am 30, went on a fieldwork trip with some uni friends. My friend 22 and I were the drivers. We had a great day and stopped for a meal at a small town pub. As we were preparing to leave, one girl went back to the pub, leaving my car door halfway open. While waiting, my friend reversed her car around mine, caught the door, panicked, and kept reversing, fully opening it, damaging the interior and snapping her side mirror. She was in shock and repeatedly apologized, saying a passenger distracted her and she hadn't checked her mirrors. Everyone gathered around, but since we had insurance and the damage wasn't severe, we took photos for the claim and drove home. That night, she hosted a small party where half the attendees had witnessed the accident. There were friendly jokes about her driving, and everything seemed fine. Today, I filled out the insurance paperwork where both drivers acknowledged fault. She agreed to sign but asked me to list her mother's name to avoid an insurance rate increase. I agreed and sent her the form for review. After checking, she said it looked fine, but mentioned that her insurer suggested I might be at fault since my car door was open. Confused, I called her, and she said her research indicated that because my door wasn't fully closed, I could be blamed. I reminded her that she admitted fault, my car was parked, and everyone saw what happened. She suggested letting the insurance inspection decide. I told her if that was the case, I wouldn't list her mother's name and would involve witnesses. She agreed. Before sending it to the insurance company, I sent her a text saying that I was not going to send the form until tomorrow, so she could think about it, and if she really wanted to double down and having to involve all the other people, and that I was feeling betrayed by her stubbornness on wanting an insurance investigation when she knew quite well she was at fault. She replied that telling me she was sorry didn't mean she was acknowledging it was her fault, that she was sorry for the damages, but that she didn't know that if the parked car had the door opened, it could be found at fault by the insurance company, and that she was only doing as her insurance agent was telling her. I replied again, saying that she was not understanding the situation, that this was not a dispute with an unknown driver, that my car was parked with the door halfway open, and that she just wrecked it by not checking her mirrors while reversing, and that everyone saw that. I also said that the car damages were the least of my concerns, since my insurance would cover the expenses either way, but that I could not believe that she was straight down refusing to acknowledge her responsibility in this. She then said that I should not lecture nor speak to her like that, and that I just proved that this was indeed a dispute with an unknown driver. Am I the a-hole?